Primary mission of the Specialized Rifle Unit is to provide a tactical response element to any threats by organized groups or individuals to the White House complex as well as the Vice President's residence. Part of what we do is also we are responsible for our drone defender program, which is being a counter element to any unmanned aerial systems.
See the drone there?
We go through very rigorous training, and within that we're making sure we're adding scenarios of the current threats we're seeing around the world.
Control room SRU, drone gun deployed.
Due to the ever-evolving mission, we have to stay ready for anything that may come our way.
Through doing the continuous training that we are sharpening our skill sets and ensuring that we are being proactive and stopping any threats before they happen.
Wearing all green.
I personally believe teamwork and trust go hand in hand.
Over the hood.
By us working together very often and doing this rigorous training, we know that we can trust each of our teammates no matter what situation we find ourselves in.
Tango hit.
And knowing that your teammate has your back is everything.
I got Tango.
What makes our team special is a unit cohesion and camaraderie. We're held to a higher standard, and knowing that you have to deliver day in and day out makes it all worth it.